Hello guys, I'm working on this amazing game that can help you to increase your concentration power. Okay, so as you can see here, score is 0 and here's one ball, very small ball, black ball, and there's one start button. Okay, so once I click on the start button, the score will increase. Okay, and if you need to, what you need to do here, you need to make sure you should not move your phone in the x and y direction. Like, let's see, let me just move my phone like this. Now I need to make sure the ball should not touch the edge of that pink. Okay, make sure that ball should be around that rectangle somewhere, like this. Okay, so once that ball reach the or touch that any edge, then your game will over. So you need to concentrate on that ball. Okay, so that will increase your score. So how this will work, let me just move to that center. Now let's click on the start button. See, the score is increasing. Now I am concentrating on the ball, so the ball should not move like this. Okay, and what I need to do here, I'm just planning to improve. Okay, let me just done. See, your score is 129. Okay, what one more thing I'm trying to do, I'm adding here one more thing that you need to just do the steps. Like, you need to walk around your room. So you need to complete at least 10 10 steps or 20 steps, and then you need to establish that ball also. We'll implement that feature also in the upcoming video. Okay, so if you have any suggestion for this app, so just comment on the video. So we'll try to improve this app and I'll publish that app tomorrow, so how we can create this overall thing. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe channel, like this video and share this video. Have a nice day, be safe, bye bye.